Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. This video is on cables and wires organization. We usually have a lot of cables at home, like different chargers for different phones, earphones, wire extensions, different cables for TV, home theater, PlayStation, etc. Organizing and finding them on time can be a task, and it can be a challenge to hide the cable kiosk under the TV unit or near the internet modem, especially if you are living on rent where you cannot do much modifications. I too face the same challenges but tried finding the solution for this. I have come up with few ideas. Let's see what are those. First, I will start with organizing different types of cables and wires, and for that we will need few things like cable twist ties, velcro ties, zip ties, elastic bands, self-adhesive cable holder, cable clips, drawer divider, an empty toilet roll. You must have seen this cupboard in our previous videos. Two drawers are assigned to keep these cables organized. In this first drawer, I keep all the frequently needed items like battery for my LED light, its charger and cable, hard disk cable, earphone and phone clipper, couple of small tripods, voice recorder and its cable, extra phone chargers which we mostly use for travel, power bank and its cable, DSLR battery charger, extra battery and cable. I have tied these cables nicely with twistable ties or velcro ties. To keep them segregated, I have used this kind of drawer organizer. At the back, this is a DIY cable organizer made up of a shoebox. I have made sections with the help of these empty toilet rolls. I have cut them into half and placed them here to organize my collar mics and earphones, and tied them with velcros. I have also kept few different types of multi-plugs here. This is the universal multi-plug, good for international travel. On this side, two boxes are kept. One is the section box to keep small items segregated, like twistable ties, cable clipper, cable holder, and elastic bands. And another box is used for spare batteries. Here I have also kept one spare phone. And this is a pack of zip ties kept at the back. The second drawer is used for non-frequent items. Like here I have kept spare extension boards. I have tied its cable neatly with velcro, selfie sticks, extra CFL light, extra fairy light, cameras and their chargers. In this box I have kept different type of cables like internet cord, HDMI cable, some other sort of cables which came with our TV and home theater system. This way the cables stay untangled and it's easy to find them when needed. Alternatively, chargers and small wires can also be organized in this wire organizing pouch shown earlier in couple of our videos. Also, this pouch is helpful for those who travel a lot and carry different types of gadgets and wires along. All the wires, earphones, chargers stay organized while traveling. It easily fits into any handbag or backpack. And for those who carry a charger and earphone in their bag every day, can use any old sunglass case to keep them organized. By doing this, you won't fiddle around to find the charger or earphone when required. Sometimes it is difficult to organize long wires like fairy lights or multi-purpose cords. So for that you can use empty kitchen towel roll. Start rolling wire from one end to another. On the other side, give a small cut and insert the plug inside, like this. Alternatively, you may give two cuts and put this small socket and plug inside so that they don't get damaged accidentally. If you're fond of lots of fairy lights, this is the easiest way to organize. So this was all about organizing the cables. Now let's see how I hide or organize cable kiosks in different sections of my house. First is this TV unit. There are a lot of cables connected with TV, set-top box and home theater system. So what I did here, I tied these wires together so that they look neat and then I hid them with this DIY, which is made of empty kitchen towel roll. I have cut it into desired size and gave one slit so that it can be opened and placed easily. Then paint it and decorate it a bit. This is another wire with USB port, which I want to keep separate from these wires. I use these self-adhesive wire holders to arrange this. Now the wires are looking neatly arranged. Alternatively, you may hide these cables behind the books like this, or by placing some decorative piece or photo frame in the front like this. Now let's see how I have arranged the wires underneath. I have tied all the wires with a cable tie. Many times the extension where we plug in all the wires look very untidy and messy. So to hide those cables and extension, you may use this kind of cable organizing box. It solves the purpose to hide all the wires mess and at the same time looks neat and stylish. I have also arranged the home theater wire with the help of wire clips with metal nails. It's giving quite a decent look. You may also use this kind of cable trunking matching to your wall to hide this. This can be easily found in any electrical shop. Now let's come to the Wi-Fi router. Recently I shifted my home temple to another room and now using this cable to keep the Wi-Fi router and intercom. All the wires are quite long, so I have tied them with Velcro nicely and hung them behind with the help of small command hooks, except this big internet cable. It just neatly rolled and stays on the floor. By doing this, the wires don't tangle up with each other and cleaning of the floor can be done easily. Now here again I have used the same self-adhesive wire holders to keep the wires neatly arranged. Same way I have done up mobile charging station on my working desk and side table. The charging wire stays neatly arranged with this. I have placed this kind of wire clipper at the end which keeps the charging pin out of the way and makes them less prone to damage. This wire clipper is also very helpful if the power socket is at the back of your bed and you want to charge your phone on the side table. By placing this clipper, the charging pin does not move from its place and stay intact after use. Just pull the pin and attach it to your phone. So easy. Now let's come to the laptop charger. I have tied the cable with Velcro and left only the length I needed. I hide this cable at the back of this paper tray. I also have a printer and tie its cable the same way and tuck it behind. At times we use extension board also to connect printer or some other cables and it looks very messy. So to hide this extension board, you may use the same extension board organizing box. Now let's come to the kitchen. I have microwave placed just next to the switchboard, so I don't need this much length of the wire as it looks untidy. So either I can just tuck it behind the microwave or tie it neatly with Velcro. Here I have used this cable winder. You need to roll the cable inside neatly and then close it with another lid. With this, area looks very neat. And if by any chance you want to increase the length, then just pull out some wire without opening it. So that was all about organizing and hiding the cable chaos. If you're making a new home, I recommend you to buy smart furniture and TV units where all these cables and wires can be hidden. Nowadays, false ceiling and walls are also good options to hide the wire mess. But that obviously need to be planned beforehand. Otherwise, you may use the options shown in the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for many more organizing videos. I'll see you next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.